All right, so now we're going to attach a piece of pipe and we're going to install a ball valve. So we just, a rough idea where we're going to put our ball valve, about there. So I can cut the pipe. I need to deburr the pipe on the inside and the outside. The key is to make sure we have our little 45-degree deburring angle here so that it goes through the O-ring. We want to make sure we spray into our fitting, into the drop leg. Make sure this is a little bit loose. You can slide our pipe in. Once you hear the click, you can snug this up. Then you can do the other one. Make sure this is loose, just a little loose. Once you push it, you can hear that clink. That makes sure it's seated well. We take our tool. Take our tool, we can snug this up. About a quarter turn is good enough. Align it where we want this. About a quarter turn. And it's installed.